Hey guys, this is Ilter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive. That way you can put a different OS on your computer, such as Windows, Linux, Mac, whatever. So what you need is an ISO image for your OS and a flash drive. I would recommend at least 4 gigs on the flash drive, because ISO images can be 2 to 3 gigs. It just depends. So make sure you have your flash drive plugged in, and then open command prompt as an administrator. If you don't, that's fine, but whenever you do your first step, which is typing disk part, it's going to open up the disk partitioner, which you have to be an administrator for. So if you didn't open it up as an administrator, it's going to pop up a dialog box just telling you to click yes, and it'll work just fine. So once you've done that, wait for it to load up. Okay, so you want to list all your disks on your computer. So just type in list disk with a space. It's going to list every disk you have, your hard drives, flash drives, external hard drives, whatever. And you need to know the size of your flash drive. That way you can look on the size column and find your flash drive and know what disk number to select. Mine in this case is disk 2, and yes, it's 246 megabytes. I said to use a 4 gig flash drive. I'm just doing this for the formatting, and I'll just tell you what to do afterwards, because this is definitely too small. So you want to select that. Mine's disk 2. Okay, now we need to create a partition. Well, first you have to clean the flash drive. Damn thing. Okay, you need to create a partition for your flash drive. So create partition primary, and it creates a partition. Then you need to select that partition. Select partition 1. You're good. Now we need to activate it. Just type active and you're good. Next part is formatting the flash drive. Depending on the size of the flash drive, this can take anywhere from 2 minutes to 2 hours. I've done a 32 gig, no, it wasn't 32, it was 8. Done an 8 gig flash drive. It took like 45 minutes. So it can take a while. What you need to do, format, then fs equals FAT32, and that'll start the formatting process. Since this is such a small flash drive, it looks like it's going really fast. So once that's done, I'll just tell you what to do next. Okay, that's done. Now you can go ahead and exit out of disk partitioner. Tap exit. And now if you notice at the beginning of the video, whenever I plugged in the flash drive, it said it needed to be formatted. Now it works. Open folder, there's nothing there. The next thing you need is an ISO image. You can download those off the internet, discs that you buy from stores. You can use those, whatever it is, but download a software called download a software called Virtual Clone Drive. When you download that, you need to locate your ISO image in your computer. Right click on it, and then it'll go to burn ISO, and go ahead and click on that, and it separates the ISO image to all its different components onto Windows Explorer. Simply all you need to do from there is drag all that onto the flash drive. That's it. And then whenever you go to boot up your computer, you need to make sure you open up the disk menu and select the flash drive so you can boot up from that, and then it'll start the process of installing the new OS on the computer. So that's how you create a bootable USB flash drive. Sorry this wasn't the most well put together video. I just couldn't find any other flash drive and really didn't feel like looking on here for an ISO image. I know I got some, but didn't really look for it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I am on Twitter at @ilturrent, so hit me up on there. Thanks.